Hello, my friend, Stephanie Barnard at Scrapbook.com for Sizzix. And have you ever been in a situation where you need a gift and you need it like yesterday? Well, look at this beautifully framed artwork that we have here. The best part about it is it'll take you less than 10 minutes to make, and look at how beautiful it is. It's so much fun, and it'll look perfect on your friend's mantle or by the fireplace or on their desk at work or on their kitchen counter, anywhere they want, but it's just so much fun. The best part about it is not only is it easy to make, but you can customize the colors to your friend's decor, which is even more exciting. And of course, you might need to make a couple for yourself because they're so fun and easy. Let me show you what you need to do. What we're going to do is I have some fun little squares here that all have adhesive on the back. This is how easy this project is. And we're going to lay those down, and I am going to use one of my favorite sets. It's the dotted hearts that I designed for Sizzix. Look at all of those fun hearts you're going to get, but there's also tags. You could do this with the tags with those dots that come popped out, or even stars. There's so many options when you have those fun little dots all the way around. We're going to use the cute little heart, and I'm going to die cut. We're going to do one at a time, and just because those little dots, you want to make sure they all get poked out. Now, I'm using a smaller die, so I'm using a smaller cutting pad. I'm going to lay that in the machine, and we don't want to move our die when we do that. There we go. And we're going to lay that down, and we're going to run that through. Now, because there are so many dots, I'm going to run it back through. So I have the pink one, and I believe we also need the blue one, so we're going to do this. Now, you're going to do this 6 times. I'm just going to do 2 just to show you. We're going to lay that down, and we're going to run this little guy through, just like that. One way, and then back the other way. There we go. And now we have our fun little hearts popped out. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our frame, and we have our little frame, and we've taken everything out, and then we have our little paper. We've already cut the paper to match, and I've already added a couple of the hearts on here. I'm going to peel off that adhesive off the back, and most of those little dots are already going to come off, which is fantastic. So you don't have to do as much of the weeding. Every once in a while, you might have to do a little poke. And if it gets a little crazy, you can get your little die pick and poke out the rest of those if you need to. So I just see 1 or 2. Let's see, there's one, but the rest, oh, one more, one little guy sticking in there. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to add this guy here. So the kids can definitely help you with this project, and you can switch it out. So depending on what the holiday is that month, you can switch it out to do different holidays. For Mother's Day, you could do a bunch of flowers. And it's just a subtle little reminder of the fun holidays that we have in our life. Peel that off. Most of those dots came with it already. We just want to double check to make sure we get them all out. Give it a little poke. Oh, that looks good. And then we're going to add this little guy right here. Look at how fun this is. And then we're going to just bring it over to our frame, open our frame up, lay this guy inside, just like that. And that is how fast and easy we have an adorable gift for a friend or for ourselves, right? We need some fun things around our house as well. We're going to lay that down in there, and look at how beautiful that is. Now, here's 2 other samples that I wanted to show you just for fun. You can see the fun dots in this heart. These are the big hearts that come in the same kit. And then we have the dotted tags, which are so much fun too. So whenever you're thinking you need a little bit extra funness or excitement in your life, grab some dotted dies and have some fun and make some gifts. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!